Opening a Commonwealth bank account online is simple and can be done in a few steps. Here's how. Visit Commonwealth Bank website. Go to the official Commonwealth Bank website. Select account type. Navigate to the bank account section and choose the type of account you want to open, such as a smart access or everyday account. Start application. Click on the Open Now or Apply Now button to begin the online application process. Provide personal details. Fill in your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, address, and contact details. You will also need your tax file number or exemption code. Verify identity. Commonwealth Bank will need to verify your identity. This can be done by providing details from your Australian driver's license, passport, or Medicare card. Follow the prompts to complete the identity verification. Review and submit. Review your application to ensure all information is correct. Submit the application once you're satisfied with the details. Receive confirmation. After submitting your application, you will receive a confirmation email with further instructions. If approved, you may receive your account details and debit card by mail. Activate account. Once you receive your debit card, follow the provided instructions to activate your account, typically by setting up online banking through NetBank or the CommBank app.